Did I ask you? Touch me again, I swear I'm gonna get belligerent. I said no!
Imagine coming home from a festival, drunk, angry, and out of control. Now imagine law enforcement trying to de-escalate the situation while you're resisting every step of the way. What happens next? Welcome back to our channel, where we analyze real police body cam footage to uncover what really happens in high-stakes situations. In today's video, we dissect a case where a man, heavily intoxicated, becomes aggressive with his own family and law enforcement. We'll provide expert breakdowns of the police tactics used, what went wrong, and the legal consequences. Stay tuned. The video starts with officers arriving at a chaotic scene. A family member explains that the man returning from Oktoberfest is extremely intoxicated and becoming aggressive. His loved ones are concerned for his safety and call for help.
Please. It's fine, relax. I know I just don't want him to do something. I don't want him to do something stupid he's going to get in trouble for.
I understand.
Okay.
No, we're pulling my call him before that becomes a problem. Yeah!
Steven, okay, come on. No, you don't
to the grass, to the grass. I'm helping him to the grass. Come on. I'll be a shot. I don't care. Stop. Sheriff's office. Relax, dude. Relax.
Calm down. Calm down.
Good. You need to get away. Get the knife off him. Left pocket. Let go of his leg. I don't care. Let go.
Fight me, I will kick your teeth out. Do you understand? If you fight me, I will kick your teeth out.
I don't care. Thank you. I don't need them. You fuck.
You know what? This guy didn't have to fucking talk.
Okay, here, grab his arm, shoot his arm. I got it.
I don't care what you do.
The suspect becomes combative, threatening to kick officers and refusing to comply. Police use physical force to control him while ensuring he does not injure himself or others. These moments are critical. Officers must balance force with restraint to avoid unnecessary harm. As officers attempt to calm him down, his hostility escalates. He begins swearing at officers and family members. This is a crucial moment. De-escalation is key in situations involving intoxicated individuals, but resistance can turn things dangerous quickly.
I'll be honest, I'm wounded. Want to continue? You'll be in jail too.
I don't think you understand.
Yo, fuck! Relax. Relax. Relax.
They're locked, okay.
I don't need the fucking handcuffs, you fucking pig! I'll be down to fucking shootout, you motherfucker!
Relax, man. Relax.
You have anything else?
Relax, man.
I don't care!
I know you don't care, but you need to relax. Don't make things worse. Just chill, buddy. Don't do it. Relax.
Let me cross it. Let that one up. Now hold on. There you go. Ma'am.
What?
I'm giving you a step.
Let me go! I don't care, he's not going to bite me. Don't worry, he's not going to bite me.
Shut the fuck up and get this fucking reason it's happening! So it puts me in a spot.
I don't care, he's not going to bite me.
Once he's secure, let's get him in the grass. Here, let's get him off his stomach, on his side, in the grass. Ma'am, step back for a second.
Just watch his face.
All right. Yeah. We're not going to let him bite anybody.
Scared him from any of you.
I understand.
Come on, dude. Work with us here.
Guys.
Don't get bit. There we go. Okay.
Do you want to sit up? Just sit
No,
up.
let's leave him right where he is. Right where he is. On his side.
Hey, babe. Leah.
But you Alright, now, you're just thinking it works.
No, he did not.
Yes,
no,
he did.
Not.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Somebody get a spit mask.
I don't need a spin master. Stop me.
Get a hobble too. Here, I need you guys to step back.
All right, can you guys back up, please? Y'all back up. Yes.
With the suspect still resisting, officers call for medical assistance. The paramedics arrive, but even then, he refuses help, making the situation more complicated. This raises an important question. How should law enforcement handle situations where a suspect refuses medical aid? So what happened next?
Don't touch me!
Gloves.
Well, I'm going to put it on you.
I don't give a... You will not put anything on me.
I have put it on you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You have to put me down and put me on me.
This guy is super drunk, super belligerent. He's kicking one of the firefighters here. I think we should give him the Paradol instead of ketamine here because he's super inebriated. Okay. He's screaming, he's spitting.
Calm down.
I just told you to calm down.
I'm not put it on.
Yes, I am.
I don't want you to. It doesn't matter.
Hey, is this popping up? We're going to give the Paradol.
He's giving a cross up.
Hey, relax. Stop.
I said I don't want it on me.
I know, it's just oxygen.
I don't care.
Relax.
I work in an OR. I know.
You work where?
I work in an OR.
What is that?
What?
I don't understand what you're saying. You work at what?
An OR.
Oh, an OR.
An operating room. I know the bullshit you told them. I said no.
Relax, buddy. Relax.
No.
Hey, Scotty, I'm not going to get a pulse oximeter.
Hey, I'm going to get the Paradol.
Yeah, I'm not getting the Paradol.
Keep it on you.
There you
It's
go.
good for you, man. It's going to help you.
Oh.
It's going to help you. Stop.
Relax, dude.
Help you breathe. That's all we can do.
Relax. Relax. Here, I'm going to help you slide up.
No. Go f yourself.
What hospital do you work at?
What?
You work at a hospital, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
What?
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't know why we haven't met before. We're there all the time.
I work at the OR.
We got a really good relationship with you guys.
What? I don't give a f.
We're in there all the time. You
Put
guys
some
help us
oxygen
out.
on
You guys get you guys are the reason I get called in. You think I give a f?
I'm just saying, we get along very well most of the
Can I
time.
put some oxygen on you, man?
No.
Yes. Whatever
I said no. Go f yourself.
We got to help you, man.
I can breathe just fine. I'm not belligerent because of you guys. It's not fair. I'm treating you guys this
We're
way.
here to help you, man.
No, you guys are right.
We have to do all this oxygen and all this stuff. Is it okay if we put oxygen on you?
No, no oxygen.
Please?
No.
Hey, are you going to relax for us?
Yeah, I'll relax. It's not you guys' fault.
All right, perfect. Well, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you and
It's
get
not
you to the
fair.
hospital and get you taken care of. All right, so listen.
The suspect was arrested and faced multiple charges, including battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest with violence, and disorderly intoxication. These charges could lead to serious legal repercussions, including jail time. This case highlights the difficulties officers face when dealing with intoxicated individuals. From de-escalation to legal consequences, every step of this encounter was crucial. What do you think? Did the officers handle it correctly? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real police body cam analysis. See you in the next video.